Hi there, students. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Okay, this is a proverb that is attributed to Franklin D. Roosevelt. I don't know if he said it or not, but this phrase, it means that when things are difficult, then that's when we really learn. Yeah, if you're always learning to sail on a beautiful, calm, flat day, then it's going to be really easy. But that doesn't make you a good sailor. Yeah, you become a good sailor by having experience of storms or difficult times or problems. Yeah, so the most educational things in our lives are the difficult times we go through, because by going through those we really learn. When I complained to my teacher that the exam she'd given us was just incredibly difficult, she looked at me and said, "A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor." Yeah, by challenging people, by making them do difficult things, that's when people really learn. If life is always easy and plain sailing, then you're not going to learn very much. But when things are hard, when the chips are down, when there are things at stake, and everything isn't clear how everything's going to turn out, this is where this proverb, "a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor," comes into play. This word smooth meaning flat, calm, not rough. Yeah, a smooth surface, as smooth as silk. Yeah, so when the sea is flat, when things are easy, well, you can learn, but you're going to learn much, much more when things are difficult, when the chips are down. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Ooh, formality. I think I'm going to give this one a 5. I think you could use this just about anywhere. Bye for now. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor.